Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate payment processing with Stripe step by step clearly. To automate payment processing with Stripe, start by creating a Stripe account. Visit the Stripe website and click on the Start Now button. Fill out the required information to set up your account. Once your account is created, log in to your Stripe dashboard. Navigate to the Developers section in the left-hand menu. Select API keys to access your publishable and secret keys. Take note of these keys, as you'll need them for integration. Next, choose your preferred programming language or platform for integration. Refer to the relevant documentation provided by Stripe for that language. Install the Stripe library for your chosen platform. For example, if using Node.js, run the command npm install Stripe. Set up your server to handle payment requests. Create an endpoint that will accept payment information from your front end. Use the Stripe library to create a payment intent within this endpoint. Make sure to handle both success and error responses appropriately. On the client side, create a form for users to enter their payment details. Use Stripe.js to securely collect payment information without it touching your servers. Initialize Stripe with your publishable key in your JavaScript file. Update your form submission logic to send payment data to your server endpoint. On the server, process the payment intent created earlier. Confirm the payment status and return a response back to the client. Display the success or failure message to the user based on the response. Test the payment flow using Stripe's test card numbers. Once everything works as expected, switch to live mode by using your live API keys. Review your Stripe dashboard for payment transactions and reports. Regularly monitor and optimize your payment processing flow based on performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.